Hey there my friends, and welcome to the only modern JavaScript course you're ever going to need to create dynamic, fun and interactive websites. My name's Sean and I want to quickly explain why you should take this course if you're serious about learning JavaScript, which I think you should be because JavaScript is quite possibly one of the most fun and useful languages to learn. JavaScript is a universal programming language. It can be used to do many different things, from creating websites and mobile apps to running server-side programs or even programming robots. In this course, we're going to be focusing on the front-end usage of JavaScript in a browser, which is what it was originally designed for, to enhance a user's experience on a website with interactivity, animation, web forms, fetching data, and many other cool things as well. And with the latest specification of JavaScript, there's always a ton of new modern techniques to learn which can really help us achieve all this. So in this course, we'll go from the ground up and learn all of the basics of JavaScript, variables, loops, functions, and other core building blocks of the language, before diving deeper into some of the more complex topics like asynchronous code and object-oriented programming. I'm going to show you how to interact with a user via web forms and events, and also how to create some cool UX components like pop-ups, tooltips, toasts, and drop-downs. We're going to take a look at data storage in a free cloud database that works great with JavaScript, and we'll use it to make our web pages more dynamic instead of just showing static content. And along the way, we'll also be creating 5 projects from scratch to put your newfound JavaScript superpowers to good use, including a to-do list, an interactive quiz, a real-time chat, a weather app, and a mini UI component library. Finally, I'm going to be introducing you to some modern development tools like Webpack and Babel to help you implement an effective development workflow. And by the end of this course, you truly will be a JavaScript ninja ready to take on the web. Speaking of ninjas, I'm also known as the Net Ninja on YouTube, where you're going to find hundreds of free programming tutorials from HTML and CSS right through to Node, Python and PHP. So if you want to get an idea of my teaching style before you buy this course, make sure you check me out here first and maybe even say hello. Incidentally, HTML and CSS is one of the prerequisites of this course. I would expect you to have a fairly good grasp of those two technologies before you start. And I do have a complete crash course in both of those things right here on my YouTube channel for free. So I'll leave that link attached to this lecture. Anyway, I really hope you join me on this course. I've had so much fun creating it, and I'm sure you're going to have just as much fun learning too. And by the end, I'm confident that I'll be seeing you flexing your newfangled JavaScript muscles to create truly awesome websites.